And today I'm going to be reading Dotcom secrets. Like and subscribe. So in the last video we were talking about ascending from one funnel to the next funnel. So like you take the first page of your next funnel and you add it to the end of your first funnel, and it'll like ascend them into the next. It'll almost funnel them in to the next one. And so he's talking about how you can do that on unboxing funnels. Once your customer has purchased a product or service from you, they're much more likely to buy again from you if you give them an opportunity. Here's a little graphic. It says, after someone requests our free plus shipping expert secrets book and lands on our thank you page, we introduce them to the next offer on our value ladder, Funnel Builder Secrets, using a webinar funnel. You can see this funnel stacking in action at expertsecrets.com. And there are two more. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. He says in the first one that after someone requests our free plus shipping perfect webinar secrets and lands on our thank you / offer wall page, we introduce them to the next offer on our value ladder, this .com secrets book, using a book funnel. You can see this funnel stacking in action at perfectwebinarsecrets.com. And then the second one, he says, after someone purchases our One Funnel Away challenge and completes their training, we post in the Facebook challenge group and invite them to register for a top secret next mission that sells our current offer using a webinar funnel. You can see this funnel stacking in action at onefunnelaway.com. So here he's talking about how you can use these ascending funnels, how you can use them in unboxing funnels. So Aliens Stole My Homework is a book written by my brother Jaden. It's about a kid named Ned and how he stopped the aliens from stealing his homework. In this book, along with some others in the background like Kopi Soup and Apartment Prescription, are on Amazon, so you can buy them there if you're interested. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Bye.